Welcome back to Design with Miyoshi. Today we're going to make another part of the toy semi that we're making. But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products. And what we're going to make is the exhaust for the semi. So we're going to make that. We're going to make a new part. Okay. And I'm going to make the sketch. It's just going to be a cylinder. And I'm going to make it a little different, slightly different. So I'll make a sketch. Then you would if we were just making a wooden toy. I'll make a top plane, and I'm going to make a circle. And I'm going to dimension it. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make it a 1/4 inch diameter. And all I'm going to do is go to features, and we're going to do extrude boss base. We're just going to extrude this guy 2 1/4 inches. 2.5 inches. We'll extrude that 2.5 inches. All right, now, the thing that's going to be different is I am going to go ahead and make this guy. I'm going to cut down part way. So what I'm going to do is make another sketch, and I'm going to put this one on that top face. So I'll click on this face, and notice the origin there. And I'm just going to make a circle. I'll just do it here, it's okay. And I'll dimension it. And this circle is going to be, instead of a 1/4 inch, I'm going to make it, let's see, 1/4 inch minus an eighth is an eighth, but I want it to be a little bit, yeah, let's make an eighth. So we'll make it 1/8 of an inch. Let's make it a little bit bigger than an eighth. So an eighth plus a 16th is 3/16. So we'll make it 3/16. There we go. And now I can go to features, and I'm going to extrude cut. And I'm going to cut it down. I don't want it to go through the whole thing. So I'll leave about, let's leave about a 1/2 inch there. So let's go ahead and just make it 2 inches deep. And notice now it's not going to cut all the way to the bottom. I'll hit OK. And there you have it. If I looked at a different view, you could see that that hole doesn't go all the way down. Now, I'm not quite done. So let's go back to, let's go back to the shaded view. I'm not quite done. What I want to do is I want to make sure I make a new sketch, and I'll put this one on the front plane. And I'll go look at the front plane. And I'm going to make a line to cut this guy. So I'm going to make this guy coincident with that upper left corner. And come down here, make an intersect there, right click and select. Now I want this to be 45, so I'll do smart dimension, and I'll grab that edge, and I'll grab that, and make this guy 45. Oh, and it is exactly 45, that's nice. I'll move it out here a little bit so I can see it better. And then all I'm gonna do is go features, extrude cut, and that's the side I don't want to cut, I want it on the other side, so we'll flip the side to cut. And I want that cut, so that should be good. We'll do through both, and then we'll hit OK. And there it is. There's my exhaust pipe for my toy semi. I'll save this guy up, and I'll just do semi exhaust. I'll just do I'll just spell the word exhaust. All right, okay. Now, of course, we'll do a drawing from the part. Come on, here we go. And CA landscape, we'll hit OK. And all I want to do this time is, model view. I'll hit next, and I'll do the top and the front. Yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah, sure, look right. And then I'll hit down here. I'll make sure I've got the hidden lines on. And that looks good. Hit OK. There we have it. You see the hidden lines there. I'll go to annotation. I'll go to model, model items. And I'll do entire model, import into all views, and then hit OK. And there's my dimensions. I'll make them look more beautiful. Bring that 2.5 out here. Notice it didn't do that extrusion distance, so we'll do that. Move this diameter out here. Let's move that view down a touch. Move that out, and we'll make sure that's more than 2 dimensions. We'll make that, or 2 decimal places, we'll put that 4. Okay, and then of course we'll do one more dimension, smart dimension, from the bottom line to that top point. See if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. And I'll just bring it in there. That's nice and beautiful. 45, we can bring that out a touch to make it look more nice, a little nicer. And that'll be good. The other thing you do is you can make a horizontal center line here and dimension the 45 that way, but that looks good. We'll do it this way. And then I'm just going to right click on sheet format, edit sheet format. I'll zoom out and in again. Double click on name, and just like I always do, double click on the date, put today's date in there, double click on the date, put today's date in there, double click on the title, and I'll just do exhaust pipe, and then I'll double click on here, put my design firm name, and there we have it. All ready to go. Right click on sheet format 1, edit sheet, zoom out. That looks good. Don't need any auxiliary view because it doesn't show anything useful. So all I'm going to do is do save all, and I'll leave it as the name it comes up with, which should be good. Should be semi exhaust, same as the part. Hopefully it comes up. I'll just hit OK, and then I'll do file save as, and we'll save it as PDF as well. Okay, there we have it. The exhaust pipe for our toy semi trailer. It has a little hole there so you can see down in there, so pretend that it's really exhaust pipe. Okay, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.